Namaskar. Today I am going to talk astrologically about the coronavirus which has affected all the countries across the globe. My name is Shivram. I have studied astrology and I am practicing for the last 5 years. So as you all know, this coronavirus pandemic started in the month of December 2019, and astrologically we say it happened or started because of two eclipses happening in the same month, that is the month of December 2019. One was a solar eclipse and another was a lunar eclipse, and the pandemic started in Wuhan, China, and slowly it spread across the globe. Again, astrologically, in the month of March, we say what is known as Kala Sarpa Dosha, for which I will show you a chart prepared by me as of 19th March 2020. Now we will see the chart. As you can see in the Kundali of 19th March 2020, all the planets are in between Rahu and Ketu. Though Mars and Jupiter are here in the house of Dhanasu or Sagittarius, it is very close to the house of Makara or Capricorn in terms of longitude. Ketu is the last planet in this house, so we call it as Kala Sarpa Dosha. And this is anti-clockwise, so it is known as Viloma Kala Sarpa Dosha. Now, as you can see, Mesha or Aries is known as east direction and fairy house. Rishabha is south direction, earthly house. Mithuna or Gemini is a airy house and it is west direction. So this coronavirus has spread through air by coughing or sneezing, and it is more in the western countries, particularly America, European countries like Great Britain, Italy, France, Germany, etc. And even in India, the spread of this virus is more in the western states of Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Of course, in south, Tamil Nadu is affected, but the severity is more in the western states. So, as you can see here, the virus has spread in the western countries in the house of Germany, which shows the western direction, and it is a airy house, so the virus has spread through air. And Rahu is known as snake god, so Rahu has spit the venom which has spread through air, and it is spread more in western direction. Now I am showing the Kundali as of 21st June 2020, when there is going to be a solar eclipse in India. Why I have taken this Kundali is to explain to you the fact that in the house of Gemini there will be 4 planets: Sun, Moon, Mercury and Rahu. Here Mercury is in its own house and it is the Lagna Lord also. So Lagna Lord and 10th Lord normally give favorable results during their Dasha or Bhukti or Antara, and here as you can see, it is Mars Dasha, Moon Bhukti and Mercury Antara from 17 June to 17 May to 17 June. In this chart, Kanya or Virgo is the Lagna, and the Lagna Lord is Mercury. Again, Gemini is 10th house and 10th Lord also is Mercury, and we are in Mars Dasha, Moon Bhukti and Mercury Antara for the period from 17th May to 17th June 2020. So Mercury will be strong in his own house. Also Mercury is for intelligence. Mercury is with Sun. So Sun and Mercury, we call it as Buddha Aditya Yoga, and Moon is a benefic planet. So Moon and Mercury along with sun will give some kind of a solution for this coronavirus in the form of a medicine or a vaccine which will be administered to human beings and reduce the intensity of the pandemic. Here, Ketu is in the fourth house. In fourth house, Ketu is known as Lanakaraka or knowledge giver, and Ketu is aspecting Gemini. So Ketu will also help in finding out a solution for this coronavirus as per my astrological calculations. Also, Mars Dasa is coming to an end by around 14th August 2020. So the intensity of the malefic planet Mars will have been reduced, and the benefic planets Mercury and Moon will have more power to give good results. One more point to be considered is Jupiter and Saturn have aspect 311 aspect on Mars, but Jupiter being a benefic planet, though he is debilitated, he will influence Mars to reduce the malefic intensity. So during the period from 15th June to 30th June, I am very confident that some solution to the coronavirus will be found by some country across the globe, and it will be administered to all the affected people across the globe slowly. After the medicine or vaccine is found, mass production administering to the patients will take some time. I am now showing the chart prepared as of 22nd September 2020, where, as you can see, planet Rahu has moved from Gemini or Mithuna to Taurus or Rishabha. So the effect which was there, the pandemic effect or the coronavirus effect which was there, would slowly get reduced and may even become to zero during that after September 22nd, and the whole world will breathe freely. I will make an appeal to all the people who believe in Hinduism and Hindu gods to pray to Lord Ganapati, Lord Subramanya, and also recite Mahamrityunjaya Mantra 108 times daily to help and seek the blessings of Lord Shiva, Subramanya and Ganapati in getting rid of this pandemic. I hope the gods will bless all of us and make the world free from this pandemic. Thank you. Namaskar.